Hello, I'm Lucia with Qomo at ISE's 2020. I'm here to show you our QRF400 series audio response system, super popular product at the show. So what's nice about this is that you can use it with PowerPoint. You can use the buttons to advance different slides, or you can go back to the first one. I can take polling on the answers, so I'm going to click. And then you can see over here, if a student answers, it changes colors. I can even show you on here the different answers. So you see 2 selected A, 1 selected B. And when I'm done, I can stop it. And I can export my data into Excel file. If you want more information, you can contact us at www.qomo.com.